Hello, we're here today at Vance Outdoors Shooting Range and Training Center to introduce the new Meggitt Pro Image Target System. This system is slightly different than what you're used to. Although you're still shooting a paper target, these images are projected onto the scene. It gives you the opportunity to see where your rounds are hitting, but also to see the target react to those well-placed shots. Once we have the backer placed on a hanger, we're going to do exactly like we do in the past. We'll go to the control panel. We'll use the control panel to select position. I'm going to shoot these targets at 10 feet. I'll push 1-0, enter, and my target backer will move down range. From this point, I'm going to move to the tablet below it. Okay. I'll hit start. It will give me an option. I'm going to start by shooting a target. Just like we talked about before, these represent paper targets. We have several options, from the armed gunman to games to play to your standard qualification or shooting targets that we have. So we'll select a standard qualification target. We'll load it on a target. As it loads up, we can see downrange on screen where our impact is. We can also look, if we're shooting at distance and we don't want to bring the target carrier back, it will show and display hits on the target for us. Once we're done there, we're warmed up, we're confident, we're going to push end session. We'll end session again, and it will take us back to our start menu. I'll hit start. We'll go back to the menu. I've already shot a stationary target. Now I want to see what it's like to shoot at things that are moving. I'll select the videos, and it'll give me a scroll through. I can shoot at animals. I can shoot at zombies. For the sake of today, let's say the zombie apocalypse is upon us, and we're going to practice for it. I selected the video. It's playing. It gives me an opportunity to shoot at things that weren't there a second ago. It throws a little bit of movement into it, gives me a little practice on where things are compared to where they should have been. So once we're done there, we'll end that session. And I want to use what I just learned, and I want to find out how good I really am. I'll go back to the start menu. I'm going to select the game. I was just shooting at zombies. So I want to see how well and how effective that zombie shooting actually was. I'm going to go to the game. I'm going to select zombies again, push play. I'm going to push play a second time. It's going to count down, and zombies are going to appear on the screen. The difference between these zombies and the last one is, if I effectively put rounds on target, these zombies will react to that and go down. It gives me an opportunity to play through the game through several stages. But zombies aren't the only thing we can do. So we're going to end session. We're going to look at some of the other games that we can play. We'll go back to select game. One of our most popular is balloons. Push the balloon game. The balloons will appear on screen. They will float. As they float across, you can engage them and pop the balloons with your rounds. Once again, it gives you an opportunity to shoot at moving targets in an indoor range. I'm done shooting targets. I'm a little competitive in nature, so I want to see what I can do against my friends or against myself, my last stage or the next stage. I'm going to go back to selecting a game. Once again, scroll through, and I'm going to shoot a plate rack. I select the plate rack. Once I push play, it will count down. When it gets to 0, the plates will appear, and it will time my shots and how many shots and how quick or how slow I can knock those plates off the rack. Once it's run through, the plates will be down. I'll end session, and it will give me the option to shoot that again if I like. The Meggitt Pro Image System is now available for use at our Shooting Range and Training Center in Obetz. Please see the range staff at the counter for more information. Thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you on the range.